All right. Well, that little experiment worked. Stay tuned. What's happening, fam? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody is doing well. So today, what I got for you, it's another custom piece from my sponsor, Atomic Car Concepts. These guys are fantastic, super responsive to my messages, and I told them I had to get this in for a show. They made it within a day, shipped it out. I got it a couple days later, and this I'll be taking to Tuner Evo in Pennsylvania on August 4th and 5th. Now, with this is their RGB W logo, and it's in aggressive font, as you can see. It's literally just like the one I did. If you want to refer to that video, it's just like the Hulk Smash one I did. So this install is going to be literally the same thing. You can refer to that video because I'm not going to show you the entire thing, but what I will do this time, I actually wisened up and I'm actually going to use the piece. I had bought this a long time ago, okay? This is like a RGB type splitter. And instead, every time they sent one of these, they sent one of these controllers. There's a QR code right here, or there's a QR code on the package that the controller's in, okay? And once you scan it, you go to an app called Duoco Strip. Now this is the app right here, my phone is on it, and as you can see, once I open the app, there's 4 pieces that are ready to go because there's 4 controllers connected to it. But now, with this splitter right here, I can connect this to one controller and split the signal 4 ways if you want to do that, just to minimize mess. So what I will be doing is I will be running the World Breaker Hulk or World Breaker RGBW logo and the Hulk Smash off of the same piece, and it'll be fantastic. Guys, just remember, when you're hooking this up to 12 volts of power, you have to run an inline fuse between this portion or the controller portion and the power source, which is either the battery or some source of power. They even tell you right here, use a 2 amp fuse for 12 volt power source only, professional installation recommended, off-road use only. Guys, I don't have to tell you, you can't be flashing this stuff while you're driving. They even sent me something to stick on my toolbox, just as an additional little thank you. And this is their logo right here. There's some backing tape on it. You just peel it off and you can stick it. They even send these little pieces right here that you could stick to the back of this in case you had to mount it in like your grill or somewhere else. Okay, so they send this the rest of this power cord right here. Well, not power cord, this is the RGB cord, and I still don't understand why they have it in white. They should make it in black so it's more seamless, but whatever. So this cord, this colorful one right here, connects to, let's see, oh yeah, this is pretty much an extension. So either you can connect this, depending on the distance you have to run it, directly to the controller, okay? Or you can connect this piece right here to the extension and then the controller. So it's all how, you know, the connection is gonna be laid out, okay? Oh, also I'm gonna link the pieces in the description for you. Hold on, let me see, where the hell did I put it? Oh, yep, here it is. So these are the extension RGB pieces right here. And if you could see in here, hold on, I have additional, they send these additional tooth pieces right here. So this is a good idea to always have on you in case you have to do any extensions, because these here, they go into these ports, if you get what I'm saying. Okay, so it's always a good idea. I think it comes in the package, I can't remember, but it'll be in the link in the description, so don't even sweat it. So either this cord should be long enough, I think. If it's not, then I'll run it to the white power cord, and that's it. All right, guys, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mock this up first. I'm gonna see if this cord is enough to reach the back of the speakers there for easy connection, so I don't have to use that extension. And also what I did was I stuck their grill pieces on the back top of the logo, okay? And what this is gonna do is I'm gonna sit it like this. I'm gonna put it in between here and the back of the those pieces, those grill pieces, they're pretty much gonna be propping it up. So I could just push it in like this, and now it won't move. So it's at a nice angle, just like the Hulk Smash one. See what I'm saying? Pretty good, pretty good. That's what I'm talking about. All right, guys, so this is the controller for that Hulk Smash logo, okay? So what I'm gonna do is, I'm just gonna take this piece off right here. This little piece, hold on. This little piece off right here. Pull this one off, swap it, because I like black better, and I could always keep this white one now as a spare. Okay. Put this on. Okay, so now it's in. Now, my cord is already connected to constant sources of power, and it's already fused with a 2-amp fuse. So now I don't need to worry about anything. So now all I need to do now, let me show you. Let me prop this camera. So all I need to do now is take my splitter, okay? Connect the arrows together. See, there's an arrow right here. I don't know if you could see it. There's an arrow right there. That goes to the V plus. That's the positive. Connect it up nice and snug. And then this is the extension right here. I don't know if you could see it. This is the extension right here for the Hulk Smash logo. Plug that in there. Okay. And then this is the logo I just pushed through. Oh, here it is. Oh, it came through a long way. Okay, good. So here is the piece for the World Breaker logo, which I'm gonna connect. Where is the small controller? Oh, there it is. I just need to take these prongs, these pins that I showed you. Just gotta take this out of here like so. It comes out easily. So just be careful, don't lose it. Swap the pins out. Okay, and then connect it to any port on the extension, like so. And don't forget, arrow to arrow. There we go. Arrow to arrow. Let's go see if it works. All right, guys, so once I pop my phone on, these are like all my car apps over here. Click on Duo Code Strip. Now, you hit the upper left-hand corner ellipsis. Once you hit that, you're gonna see everything that has power to it. Okay, so pretty much you're controlling the power with these bulbs from your phone. So everything that has power to it is gonna show up here, which means if I disconnected my battery, remember this carefully, if you disconnect your battery and reconnect it, everything is gonna turn on. So you have to remember to go into the app and shut everything down, okay? So I know a lot of these here by just number. Let me see, 57, that's for my rear license plate. Let me just try this one. Nope, that's for the speaker. So this one is for, hold on, let's go through this together. Trying to get some shade. Okay, so 3D is for that speaker, 57 is for my license plate, 00, that is for this other speaker in the corner. Got that other one, so there's one left. That second one down, that's DB. Once I click that, I'm gonna click on this bulb, the top bulb. Bam. So now both of those work in tandem, okay? Because it's on a splitter and being connected from one controller, guess what? They all work in tandem. So I could pretty much have 4 pieces. I can have the 3 speakers and World Breaker on one controller, and I mean, I'm sorry, one splitter, which is one controller. So that's pretty damn good. So guys, if we didn't, obviously if I didn't have a splitter or anything like that, I would have to show you how to connect it up. Got to connect it to a source of power, run an inline fuse, connect it to a source of ground, and you should be good. And once you download the app and it comes up like this, you'll be straight. Guys, I would highly recommend you checking out that video that I did on the Hulk Smash one. Of course, I'll link all of that stuff. I did a number of videos for these guys. I did like my rear license plate right here. They made all of that stuff for me. So they make some really good products. And so far to date, I've had the Hulk Smash for a long time. No issues whatsoever. Nothing blew out. The World Breaker still, you know, I got good hopes for that as well. So far, everything that they made me, from the license plates to everything like that, everything works fantastic. So definitely like, subscribe, comment. If you're gonna put any RGB W logo or like license plates, certain things like that outside, any place that have any wired connection, please make sure that you seal it properly so no water or kind of moisture gets in. Now guys, I'm not gonna go over the app. As I said, please reference the Hulk Smash video. The app is actually very simple in itself, okay? Because once you're connected, you have all these modes you can do: static white, purple cyan strobe, see what it's doing? Yellow strobe, blue strobe flash. So they have so many options that you can do, and you have your speed, you have your brightness, you have your music, which can populate all your music on your phone. You have your mic, so if I'm speaking, the logo should be able to, see? The logo is moving in reference to how the vibrations are coming out of my mouth. See what I'm saying? So it's very simple. Once again, guys, please like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think. Check out Atomic Car Concepts. I'll leave my code for a discount in the description and on the video as well. And I will talk to you guys soon. Take it easy.